So tune in, guys, and watch this one. This one gonna be like something where you definitely want to watch tonight. Yeah. This is going to be a video where you want to watch, alright? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump straight into this right now. Alright. Very quick recipe tonight. Alright, Jamaica Recipe Queen, thank you so much for the support. Really appreciate it, alright? Yeah. So we're just gonna jump straight into this right now. Lovely. Alright, now this is how I start in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Okay? Got the cup ready. Got some lemon. So before we do anything, this is what's gonna happen. Get a jug like this. Alright. One tablespoon of grated ginger, right here, fresh ginger. Put it straight inside of the container, just like that. Alright. Gonna get half a lemon, squeeze it in like this. See that? That is just amazing. Alright. This is just lovely. Now, we're gonna get some apple cider vinegar. We're just gonna put roughly about half tablespoon. Black pepper. And 3 cloves. 1, 2, 3. 3 cloves. Pour hot water from your kettle. Roughly about 1 cup. Clean flame. 3 minutes. Alright. Magic it up. Alright. None of that with Chef Ricardo. Alright, now check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. This is one of the tea which I normally use. Very fantastic and amazing. And this one, a video on this one is coming special for you guys. Alright, so look forward for this one. This one right here, I'm always making drink from it. Alright. This one, look at this. This is lovely. It's beautiful, fantastic and amazing. Let's make a drink from it. Just gonna put a teaspoon, a little bit more. Pour some hot water. This is lovely. All right, look at that purple color. Just cover it for a few minutes. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color inside of it. This one is a magic drink right here. Okay, now if you got some organic honey, you can use it. I'm gonna just pop a teaspoon. And here it is. You want to drink this before you go to your bed at night. Alright. Straight out, just like that. Okay guys, it's beautiful. Alright, maybe a little bit too much. Very hot. Then put 2 slices of lemon inside of it. Some more cloves. Let's taste this. Ah, that is lovely. Beautiful and amazing. Alright? Yeah. That's fantastic and an amazing, guys. 100%. As you can see it for yourself. It's beautiful. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have a lot more recipe coming. Whole heap of more recipe, guys. Alright? Yeah, beautiful one. Now, that one is very hot. This one, I'm gonna strain it. Alright, this is so beautiful. Alright, this one here is amazing. Alright, let's strain it. Alright, very hot. Alright, very, very hot. Oh, that's proper hot. But look at this. This is so lovely. I just did it in the glass for you guys to see. Here it is. Alright. This is on the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. The link will be in the description box if you want to get this one. It's beautiful. I just brought it a few days ago and this is the way it looks. Fantastic and amazing. It's amazing. You know, relaxing tea drink for you to make at home, alright? Yeah. So if you want home and you want to have a relaxing drink, then this come in really handy for you to make at home. Alright guys, this one is coming very soon. I'm going to be doing this one also. And this one is amazing. Alright, you got pineapple in it, a lot of stuff inside of it. Alright. Yep. Yeah, here it is. Pineapple also inside of it. Alright. So this is amazing. Beautiful one, this too. Alright. So yeah, definitely guys will love this one. Alright. As you can see, this one is fantastic. I'm gonna be doing this one tomorrow night. Alright. So look forward for this one, this video from Chef Ricardo tomorrow night. Beautiful. This one is the one I just made, and it's fantastic and amazing. All right. With this one, if you like, you can put a teaspoon of honey, or you can use brown sugar or sweetener. Beautiful. That is fantastic and amazing, guys. Now, this is what I'm going to be drinking. That is lovely. The flavor and the texture from it is just amazing. Fantastic. Look at that. So you want to drink something like this before you go to your bed. You got ginger, lemon, black pepper, apple cider vinegar inside of it, and it is just amazing. Alright? And I put some cloves inside of it. So I'll put the recipe in the link in the description box. But this is just something where you want to drink before you go to your bed. It is amazing. Fantastic, guys. 100%. Alright? Yeah. 100%, guys. It is just lovely and also delicious. So, yeah, this is it. That is fantastic. Yeah. Tea time, big up yourself. Thompson, big up yourself. Hey, Sophie D. Jamaica recipe queen. The royal queen, they're about the same way. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show. That is lovely. Yeah. Here's his him. Big up yourself. Shout out to the boss. Yeah, here it is. Come on, guys, like up the video, please. Share some love. This is fantastic and amazing. Definitely, you guys should try this at home, alright? Yeah. The flavor and the taste is just amazing. Alright, anyway, thank every one of you guys for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Alright, yeah. Tea time, thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate every one of you guys. Alright. So, alright, guys, big up on yourself. A big whole up of love and shout out to every one of you guys. Alright. Who watching so far, alright? Really appreciate it. Alright. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Big up on yourself, whole heap of love and respect from Chef Ricardo, alright? Yeah. This is amazing. This is amazing. So guys, if you want to get this one, as I say, it's on the Caribbean Fusion and Sauce Spice website. You can go over and you can get this one, alright? Very, very nice and delicious. Yeah, beautiful one. This is amazing. Beautiful drink. Anyway, guys, this is it now. My drink is finished. All right. I want to say good night to every one of you guys. God bless you all. Love you all from Chef Ricardo. This is really spicy. All right. All of love and respect. And I will see you with another video coming soon. All right. Yeah, man. I really appreciate it.